Your WXII 12 forecast is always available on the free WXII 12 app. Stay connected with meteorologist Brian Slocum on his Facebook page.
All right, we'll spend a moment on the tropics. Hurricane Eta churning through the Caribbean, ready to make landfall later today. As of the advisory that came in a little while ago, in the last few hours, it is now our 12th hurricane of the season, moving towards Central America, Nicaragua, El Salvador, in the direct path of this storm. This could be a 2 at landfall. It'll spend most of the week moving through the Caribbean. There's a pretty good wide cone of uncertainty. This does have a chance to reemerge into the Gulf of Mexico sometime next week, but it's something we'll be watching. I don't think it'll be much left of it as it cruises over the highlands, dumping rain, bringing wind. It should weaken considerably. It's our 28th named storm of the season. Back in 2005, we also had 28 storms. Only 27 of those were named. They retroactively added a numbered storm in there once the season was over. Once they kind of looked at some of the data, there was one unnamed storm that developed. It's our 12th hurricane of the season, too. Fortunately, only 4 of these storms have been major, but only 3 other times in recorded history have we had 12 or more hurricanes. The most recent one was in 2010. We had 15 in that very busy 2005 season, and then back in 1969 as well. And we're cruising through the Greek alphabet, still have another month of the season left to go. We're not talking about tropics as much this morning. We have frost and freeze concerns here locally. There is a freeze warning in place for the Trident foothills until 8 o'clock this morning. At that point, temperatures should get high enough in the 30s where it's not as much of an issue. Also issues for wind in many of the mountains that certainly driving those gusts into 35 to 45 mile per hour range this morning. Enough for the air temperature in Galax to feel like the teens this morning. The current temperature at PTI Airport is 36 degrees. We have a north-northwest wind at 10. That's dropped the wind chill to 28 this morning. A rude awakening. This represents a drop in temperature of 10 to 15 degrees from yesterday when we had the very wet conditions over our area. Chilly, breezy by noon, high of around 51, 52 degrees this afternoon with a rapid cool down expected later this evening. Near 50 in the foothills with brisk winds expected for much of the day, finally relaxing by later in the afternoon today. And for the mountains, a high of 42, lots of bright sunshine. Those winds will be gusty and cold for much of the afternoon. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Election day numbers are good. We could have frost in the morning though, but highs should be back in the lower 60s, mid 60s for Wednesday and nearing 70 later on this week. A pretty dry forecast this week too.